Hi folks, this is immigration attorney LaToya McBean. I'd like to speak with you briefly about what you can expect from a meeting with me. Now I understand that most of you may never have met with an attorney before, and so I want to walk you through some of the things that you can expect from a meeting with me, and why it's important for you to work with someone who you like and someone who you're comfortable with, and certainly someone who you know a little bit about, okay? So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have gotten a better sense of who I am and how I work and whether you want to meet with me or not. First thing that you can expect is you can expect to see me right away. Although I'm very busy, I make it a top priority to meet with people, to meet with new people as well as my clients. It's very important to see you, look you in the eyes, and hear your story, and to empathize with you, and to determine whether there's a way we can work together. It's super easy to schedule a consultation with me. You may do so by calling my office or going on my website and booking the appointment online. But you will see me very soon. Secondly, you can expect to learn a little bit about me during the consultation and learn about my work values. What you will hear from me is my first value is client first. I put your interest before my interest. You will also hear me talk about communication and why it's so important for an attorney to reach out and contact the client as things arises during the representation, and the fact that I do that. I will contact you and let you know what's going on with your case. Thirdly, you will hear me say that I am available. I give all of my clients my cell phone number, and so they can reach me during normal business hours, of course, and after hours in the case of an emergency. So I'm available. You will also hear me talk about competence. It's so critical that you receive good, sound, competent legal advice. And so I will talk a little bit about that during the meeting. And then I'll also talk with you about my work history, some of the things that I've done in my life, and you can make the decision whether you think that I am the best person to work with you on your matter or not. The next thing that you can expect is you can expect to receive some legal advice. Now, there are some attorneys who have a policy of not providing legal advice during a consultation. That is not my policy. I think you're paying good money to meet with me, and so therefore you should receive something from that meeting. So we'll talk about your problem. We'll also talk a little bit about what the law says about your problem, and then we'll talk about whether additional research is needed in order for me to competently guide you into some sort of solution, okay, or remedy. Okay, so you can expect to receive some legal advice from me. Fourthly, you can expect to discuss a fee agreement with me. The fee agreement is a document that protects you and it protects me. It talks about the scope of services that I will provide to you, and it also talks about my responsibilities and your responsibilities. So the fee agreement is a very important document that we will discuss during the consultation should we decide to work together. And certainly the fee agreement will include my attorney fees, filing fees, and any other fees that are associated with the representation. And last, you can expect to walk out of here with concrete next steps as it relates to what I will do and what you need to do. So there won't be any confusion when you leave my office as to, well, what is she going to do next? No confusion. I talk about what I will do next and what you should do next as my client. So I'm hoping that by this video, you're able to get a better sense of what you can expect from me during the consultation, and that will put you at ease a little. And again, I'm looking forward to meeting with you. You, again, call my office or schedule a consultation online. I'm very happy to meet with you and to learn about your problem and how we may work together going forward. Thank you and have a great day.